Hey everybody, it's Paul Yokobitis from Cary Estate Planning, back with another installment of our 366 video challenge for 2020. And today I want to talk about adult guardianship and when you should start the process if that's appropriate for your child. So in North Carolina, the law allows usually parents, if there are parents living, or a legal guardian of a minor, to institute the application and petition process for establishing adult guardianship when the potential ward has turned 17 years and 6 months. So the idea is to give some buffer between when they're eligible and when they turn 18, so that there isn't any lapse in ability to make decisions for the potential ward, the child in this sense. So generally, guardianship requires that the person be incompetent. So there are generally a bunch of different factors that all taken together, form that conclusion. It's generally something that the clerk of court in the county where the child lives has to determine. But it's usually going to be, the parents of the child who are petitioning. The clerk usually wants to see one guardian and not two. But they're essentially putting forth facts that a clerk has to, assess and determine whether or not those facts taken together with, credible medical evidence and the opinion of a guardian ad litem warrant the conclusion of law that the child is incompetent. Once the incompetence is determined, then guardianship can be appointed. But it generally is one of three versions of guardianship. It can be guardian of the estate, which is control over the finances and transactional affairs of the child. It could be guardian of the person, which is like the care and custody and control of the child, or it could be general guardianship, which would be both, right? If you're considering guardianship and you're just really not sure where to start or whether it's appropriate for you, go ahead and click the link below and you can get on our calendar to discuss your specific needs and what guardianship may look like for you, or whether something like a guardianship alternative like representative payee for SSI benefits or powers of attorney may be appropriate. We hope that you're enjoying these videos. Look for more each day in 2020, and we hope you have a great rest of your week. This is Paul from Cary Estate Planning.